Hey guys, we got another one here today. It's a full-blown install, just got here. The guy's been here. As you can see, that's the old unit over there. Crane just dropped that down off of this roof right here. We're here doing an emergency install at the doctor office. We're in Pembroke Pines, Florida. Like I said, we run the city. No matter where it's at, we go. They've been here since 8 this morning for us to get this thing going. I'm gonna go take a look, see how everything is going in here. I'm on my way up. So I make my way here. This unit was condemned, old R22, as you see the new one right here, sitting. On my way. Now that's me, Roy.
Oh, I hear you on the calling him.
Why, you call my name? Nah. What's up? How we looking? Is Doc here?
Huh?
Doc here? Doctor?
No, I don't see him.
Oh, okay. So you see this old dinosaur here? Getting ready to remove this. Take this baby out. Pretty old. See the age of this thing right here. You can see the age of this. Zoom in on the age there. This thing is like 18 years old, something like that. That was just a quick sneak peek of inside that closet. I'm gonna make my way up to the roof. I'm just checking on these guys, see how the day going again. This is for a doctor office. Today's Saturday, they closed today. We condemned this unit late yesterday evening, made it happen. Open up the manufacturer. We did pay emergency rate, to get that manufacturer open. See, that's the AC, like, look what these guys snacking on right here. They got the water, they got some Gatorade. Okay, I'm gonna make my way up this right here. Yeah, I'm up here, man. Pembroke Pines, Century Village over there. See what's going on. So you can see all these units here for this building. A lot of units in here. Make my way inside here, sneaking in here. This is where we at. There's a big 5-ton train for this building. Man. Man. Know what these guys got going on here, but don't know what my guys got going on here right now. But that's that train. But this is what we had going on. Someone just did this recently. Pretty new. But we're on another rooftop, man. Another rooftop. It's gonna get you all a view of the city. Pembroke Pines, a beautiful city. A little overcrowded for me, but it's Beautiful. That's us down there. You can see. That's us. Come this way. That's the old unit down there. It's not much to it. It's a basic installation. Today, what's important, we pull this off Friday evening, close the deal. Saturday morning, we here. Got the crane going. Getting this unit installed so doctor office could be in full operation on Monday morning.